Hey guys, good morning. It's Dave Santarelli from Breaking Chart Alerts. How's everyone doing this morning? Can everyone hear me? Great. Thank you, John, Carson, Airborne. Alrighty, guys. So first things first, big news. Obviously, you guys heard Pfizer gets the FDA approval there. Shares of Pfizer are climbing slightly, not too much, just up about 1% here in the pre-market hours. Qs here, guys. What we're looking at with Qs is, are we going to hold that 20-day simple moving average? If we hold that 20-day, I think we're going to have some good weeks coming ahead of us. If we break below that 20, I'm going to be looking at some puts and looking at support of around 270 for Qs. Okay, let's take a look at Pfizer quick. Pfizer's still looking good, still climbing, breaking higher. It's still consolidating. I really want to see that, though, break that 43.10. We break that 43.10, I'm probably going to be adding quite a bit of Pfizer, maybe with the March, April, May, June expiration. I really want to take advantage of this vaccination getting spread and dispersed throughout the country and throughout the world, really. So I want to take advantage of that. Once we break that 43.10, I'll be adding to Pfizer longer term. Okay, take a look at SPY. Right now, you guys could see we were in breakout momentum. So right now is a shift. We're trading below the 1020 on SPY, Qs, Diamond, Dow. So it's really important now to shift from making those larger trades we were making to some smaller trades waiting for that next breakout. We get a bounce off that 20-day simple moving average. First green candle above the previous candle's body, that's where we're going to be really looking to bounce off that support area, climb higher, and then actively trading once again here. So now we're going to see some nice swings here, which for Day Trade Friday is going to be absolutely great. Yeah, Disney shares are up quite a bit here. They're expecting 350 million streamers by 2024. So 350 million subscribers for their Disney Plus by 2024, which is insane numbers. So Disney's getting a climb. I think it's new all-time highs on Disney, isn't it? Yes, it is. So Disney is really breaking out there. That's going to be a nice leap option. So if you're looking for a good longer-term trade, I'd be looking at leaps for Disney here. Maybe going with the 2022, 2023 expiration and seeing what that does there. Here comes opening bell, guys. Let's see how we do. Good luck to everyone. Let's have a great day. Let's see Disney. Maybe we could pick up a quick trade on Disney. They had such a big run, though. Don't want to look at a pullback here. Get caught up. What is going on with this today? There we go. Airbnb is getting a nice little pop up about 1% here, $1.60. I don't know what is going on with E-Trade, guys. I have Airbnb in here. It's showing Disney. Let's see what's going on. I might have to restart this. E-Trade Pro's been so screwy lately. Anyone else having problems with E-Trade Pro? What is going on here? Shopify's getting a nice little spike. I don't think you missed much, Doug. me see what's going on here with this E-Trade Pro. Anyone else having problems with E-Trade Pro? Definitely looking like a nice little climb here. Let's see. Let's see if I just pull another chart over here, if this is going to work. All right, here we go, guys. Maybe it was just that chart there. I want to add to the FedEx trade of Vilio. I love FedEx. UPS is up quite a bit here. 1.26%. Pfizer's not doing too much, guys, even with that vaccine approval. Not yet. Down about 2 cents. Pretty flat for the day. Down about a penny. 3-month daily. Consolidating. Tyler's watching Boeing. Let's see what Boeing's doing. Boeing's not looking bad there. It's been holding that 10 the entire break out there. That's one I'm going to write down on the list here. We'll keep an eye on Boeing. 232.18. Gonna look for some good day trades today. Apple down about 1%. Airbnb is having a nice breakout. Watching Amazon. Amazon's starting to break higher here. So is Google. Looking for some good day trades. 3-month daily chart on Amazon looking good, holding that area that it's been holding down here for quite some time. There's our 2 support areas on Amazon. Right at 3,000 and then the other one at 3,100. Amazon's getting a pretty nice climb here. And a look at an Amazon trade here. All right, I got in that Amazon trade for $16.50 a contract, guys. Just got filled on that Amazon trade. We are in it. Amazon December 11th, which is today's expo, 3105 call, in at $16.50.
Coming up at 10, Michigan Consumer Sentiment. At 1 p.m., the Baker Hughes U.S. rig count.
Already up a quick $110 on Amazon. There goes Amazon breaking out, guys. Nice gain on our Amazon trade. Looking for that continued breakout. Qs are breaking higher. There goes Airbnb.
SNOA, Sonoma Pharmaceuticals, halted on a circuit breaker.
Airbnb is breaking higher, guys. Big breakout on Airbnb.
Back from the highs, still up 90% now. Sandy November Oscar Alpha.
We put Qs over here.
McConnell says Democrats should stop insisting on state aid.
Guys, Airbnb is having a huge breakout. Take a look at AB&B. So weird saying that. AB&B. Big breakout on Airbnb. Still breaking higher. Watching Amazon continue to climb. I'm watching Qs here as well. Take a look at Qs. It's going to be really important in what the general market does. Good morning, Paula. Paula said space is breaking higher. Let's take a look at space. Space is looking great there. Up 16% on space. That's going to be the next big stock of 2021. Watching Qs and Amazon here. Amazon came back down to that 10. Avilio, they're talking about ExxonMobil here on CNBC. You still in that Exxon trade? Skyjack still in ExxonMobil. Airbnb is climbing. Amazon pulled back a little bit. Only 6 points away from highs this morning. It's not bad. Holding on to that. Watching Qs closely.
BXRT, Vaxart, 789, popping into the highs. Victor X-Ray Romeo Tango. FAT halted on a circuit breaker. Foxtrot Alpha Tango. Fat Brands halted on a circuit breaker. $9.50. Again, that merger announcement earlier. Foxtrot Alpha Tango.
Apple looking to hold that 120. See if we could get the market to start to climb here a bit. Airbnb came right down to that blue 20. $120 is going to be support on Apple. See that Amazon start to break out here. Back up to 3,100, 3,102, 3,103. Nice climb. Definitely a choppy morning there, Kevin. See what Amazon does here. I'd love to see it break that 3,105. There we go. Come on. $3,104. Airbnb is getting a nice little pop there, back up to 148. Q's want to get a climb there. I'm watching Q's getting up to that 10. Q's start to climb. We'll see Amazon take off here. Airbnb is getting a nice climb. Take a look at ABNB here. Just thinking about picking up 1,000 shares of it. Q's starting to break out here. Like what I'm seeing there on Q's. First green bar above the histogram, above the 0 line here. Let's see if that continues. Amazon's still looking good there, 3102. Q's starting to climb.
FAT, Fat Brands, shares resume trading. Box right off the tango, getting further pop here. FAT.
Google just got a big pop.
$10.67 now on Fat Brands. And looks like it was halted again on a circuit breaker. FAT, $10.67. Another circuit breaker on FAT.
Fat Brand shares halted on circuit breaker, up 54%. There goes Amazon. Amazon just got a nice little pop. Q's breaking lower here. Filling at that 20. Let's see if it holds that squeeze between the 10-20.
ZAGG, ZAG resumes trading. Zulu Alpha Golf Golf. $4.14 now, being acquired for $4.20 and up to $4.45. Share is now at $4.14, up 3.5% for a ZAGG, Zulu Alpha Golf Golf.
You guys trading anything? See anything good? Let's see here. Stefan says JD on my 84 calls. Yoshidon says, what platform is this? This is E-Trade Pro. Qs are holding that 10 right now. Let's see if it could continue that climb up to that 20. There goes Amazon. Got a nice little climb there. See if Amazon could break that 3105 and start that run. Love to see that at 3150 by end of the day. Qs are getting a nice climb here, guys. Take a look at Qs. It's going to tell us what tech's going to do. Squeezed between that 10-20 like we were talking about. Held that 10. Breaking that 20 now. There goes Amazon. Amazon finally breaking that red 50-day simple moving average and breakout momentum. Green bars above the histogram. Back in the green on our trade on Amazon. Big break out there, up to $17 now. Amazon's looking good. Qs are taking off here. Mitch the Grinch. You guys are funny. Mitch the Grinch is stealing the markets with the stimulus. You guys are great. There we go. Another nice breakout on Amazon, guys. 3109. Almost at the highs of the day here. See if we can break that
CREX
31.10.
Rex at the highs now. CREX $1.19, up 13%.
Google's
For
having a big
Rex.
breakout there. There we go. Amazon at $18 now. Nice climb here on Amazon. Big breakout coming. Let's see if we can break the highs of the day right there for that continued run. Look at Google here while
Canada
we're
health
watching.
authorities say domestic cumulative cases of COVID-19 could be between 531,300 to 577,000 by December 25th. That's in Canada.
You guys see the news? We're up to 3,000 deaths a day now with COVID, which is insane. I agree. They shouldn't be going on recess until they get that stimulus passed. Did you guys see on the news this morning on, what was it, Good Morning America? They were saying that southern Florida is facing the highest eviction in the country.
$4.35.
January 1st, they said that the eviction ban is being lifted, and they're expecting, what was it, like 15 million people to go through the courts. They said they had to take judges off of insurance claims and whatnot to bring them over to evictions because there's so many damn evictions here in southern Florida. That's insane if you ask me. Big breakout on Amazon, looking good there. New highs of the day on Amazon. Big breakout on Amazon, guys. Nice climb here. Qs are taking off. Amazon's continuing to climb. We are looking good. Love to see Amazon at 31.20 here. See that next climb. It's just patience and discipline. Let's wait it out. Got a nice gain, 500 bucks on the Amazon trade already. Qs are still on the climb. Looking good. There goes Amazon again. Qs are starting to break out here. Nice climb on Qs. See that flow through with Amazon here. Qs are breaking higher, guys. Take a look at Qs. Nice run here on Qs. There goes Amazon again. Another nice run on Amazon. See that continued breakout there. I want to see her get up to that 31.15. Q still climbing, looking good. Nice breakout on Qs, guys. There goes Amazon again as well. Just slow, steady climb here. Let's see if we could hold it up here and continue that run. Nice breakout on Qs here, guys. Take a look at Qs. Costco up about $2.50. Ray, that's your baby there, Costco. Man, they got the heat on in this office
Michigan
here.
consumer sentiment 81.4. That's above the 76.5 estimate.
Nice climb there on Qs, guys. Nice breakout there. See if it holds.
VVOS, Vivos Therapeutics, opening at $7.07, priced at $6. That's Victor, Victor, Oscar, Sandy, VVOS.
Nice breakout there, guys. Nice climb in the market. SPY's continuing to break out. I'd like to close my Amazon out for about 25 bucks. That's my target for Amazon, $25. Google's starting to get a nice little climb there too. There goes Amazon. There we go. There goes Amazon. Let's see that breakout continue. Back up to 18 bucks a contract. We paid $16.50, so got about a $300 gain on that right now. See what SPY's doing here. SPY getting right up to that red 50-day simple moving average. I want to see that breakout there. Really important. Amazon, I want to see it break 31.1250. Guys, I'm getting so many packages from you guys too. Thank you all for the love and support. Really appreciate it. Got a great group of people here. Watching Q's. Q's came right back down to that 10 along with SPY here. So just waiting for that next breakout here on SPY and Q's.
Reports that the JMMC meeting has been rescheduled to December 16th from December 17th. Secretary Azar says hopes to see data from AstraZeneca J&J COVID-19 vaccines in early to mid-January. Hopes FDA process will be faster. That's on Fox News.
Apple leveled off there nicely. No hook pattern on Apple, no.
ODT, Oscar Delta Tango, positive results of Cantessa, phase 3 study of Tacetactyl in patients with metastatic breast cancer, presented at SABCS. That's Oscar Delta Tango.
Airbnb is climbing off the 10 right there. See what Qs are going to do. Airbnb is getting a nice climb there. Here comes Qs. Let's see if we could break that 10 on the Qs here, start that climb again. Very slow morning. FedEx is looking good. Amazon pulled back a little bit there. Amazon's in the green for the day, up $5. So that's real. There's only a couple things that are green on my list. We got Amazon, we got Baidu, Disney's up 10%, Twitter's up a little over 1.2% right now. Let's see here, what else do we got? Microsoft just turned green. Square's up 1%. Boeing's in the green, up $1. Gilead's up about a penny. FedEx is in the green. These medical marijuana stocks are really taking off here. Moderna up about $3. Airbnb's up about $3.30.
Shares of
FedEx continuing
Chewy
to
at the
climb.
highs. Chewy
Here we
up
go.
about
Q's are
5.5%.
starting to climb here as well.
BY 82.47.
Nice little climb on Q's.
On
Let's see if we
Chewy.
break that 10. Man, they got to cut the heat in this office. Jared, I'm feeling great. My next chemo is on Monday, 1 p.m. So I'll be live in the morning. I feel good after chemo. It's not until like a day or two after that I start feeling like garbage. So I'll be live in the afternoon. Come on, Q, start that climb there. Sorry to hear that, NASDAQ. It's really just like day 2, 3, 4, 5. It's those 4 days after chemo that really knock you the heck out. Let's see Q's break that 50. Here we go. Big candle on Amazon. Q's are looking great, guys. Look at Q's. What a move on Q's. Nice breakout there. First candle above that red 50-day simple moving average.
BBOS, Victor Oscar Sandy. Shares are halted on a circuit breaker. Now at $7.69 at a high of 9.20.
Nice breakout on Google there. Big breakout on Google. Google's near the highs of the day already. Let's see if Amazon could follow suit.
CERT indicating 29.90 on 320,000. Charlie Echo Romeo Tango.
I love you, baby. And if it's quite alright, I need you, baby. Q's are looking good, guys. Nice breakout there.
CERT priced at $23 now, indicating 29.90. That's Certara. Charlie Echo Romeo Tango.
A blood clot in her jugular vein from the chemo. Man, don't tell me that. I think I'm feeling neck pain already. Sorry to hear that, NASDAQ. Hope she's better. Praying for you. It's tough. Q's are still on the run. Look at Google breaking out here. Wow. What a climb on Google. Let's see if Vilio said Apple's breaking the 50. Nice breakout on Apple there. Back up to 122. She came all the way down below 121. She was at 120.87 there. Got a little worried. We had the December 18th Apple calls. Thank you, NASDAQ. They're going to start vaccinating, they said, with the Pfizer vaccine on Monday. So I think next week we'll start to see a nice climb there as they start vaccinating millions of people next week.
Shares of Disney hitting new highs, 171.69.
Disney, new highs.
Disney up almost 11%. Texas files
There
new
goes
brief at
Amazon.
Supreme Court in election case.
Another run on Amazon, guys. Another nice climb there. Disney up 11%, 171.45. Watching Q's here for that next run.
Ontario reporting a new daily high of 45 COVID-related deaths and 1,848 cases in Ontario. New modeling shows Canada still on pace for rapid growth in COVID.
Look at Airbnb go, guys. Nice breakout there on Airbnb. Qs are starting to get a nice climb here off that 10. There goes Airbnb. I was going to pick up 1,000 shares of that. I should have done it. Still could do it. Qs are getting a nice climb off that 10. Let's see that continue. Break above that body of the previous candle there. That will show us signs of that next breakout. All we want to do is see the body above the previous candle's body here coming down to support off that 10-day simple moving average. So we're coming down to that 10 or 20. As you could see here on Qs, it's been holding at that blue 20-day simple moving average. So we'll see what it does here. If she's going to continue to retrace, come down to that blue 20, and then start to climb here. That's what I'm going to be looking for with Qs. NASDAQ's only down about 0.25% right now. Market's not down too much. Getting a bounce from the lows there. Here is the newsletter for today as well, guys, while we're waiting for that to continue to run there. I'll go over this quick. AutoZone was upgraded here from hold to buy. 1325 target here on AutoZone. So that was really nice. From hold to buy, 1325 target. Not bad for AutoZone. Equifax, I really don't give a damn about them. Ralph Lauren, you know, they're doing really well. Retail stocks are starting to pick up. They're talking about. So Ralph Lauren, not bad there. Scott's Miracle Grow, don't give a damn about that. Citigroup, neutral to buy, 134 target on Ralph Lauren. Let's take a look at that. Downgrades. The airlines are getting downgraded, obviously, because of the stimulus deal. We get a stimulus package signed and passed, then the airlines are going to take off again. That's why we have the June expiration on our Delta trade. That's going to be a great trade setup there. Like I said, I'm going to be adding to that once we do get that stimulus hopes passed here, which, you know, it's going to happen. If it doesn't happen while Trump's in office, you know, once Biden takes office, I think we'll see that pass pretty quick. So let's take a look at AutoZone and Ralph Lauren now and see if there's any nice setups on the chart there.
Shares popping to $1.14.
So let's see, AutoZone.
Sandy Papa Charlie Bravo.
AZO and Ralph Lauren. Q started to get a nice climb there off that 10. Let's see if it holds. AutoZone 1148. They were upgraded to 1325. I like that chart setup actually on AutoZone. If you guys take a look there, it's got some really good support right at around 1,100 bucks a share. Climbing off of that, looking good, not bad there. Like that setup. Let me write down AutoZone here. ACO.
Highs now. The November Hotel hit a high of $5.
What are we at? 1148.
NH.
0.83. I'm going to set an alert on this if we break. Let's see here. If we could break 1160 on AutoZone, I'm going to jump in. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to set up an alert on AutoZone, AZO. Okay, now what I want to do is above 1160. So anything above 1160.00. And there we go. We got that set now. So once that breaks 1160, we'll get an alert, and I'll recheck that chart and see if I want to jump in. Let's see here. Moderna's at the high of the day. Moderna's up $5 for the day. Nice climb on Moderna.
LIFE, A-tier pharma.
There's a Moderna daily chart. You see how well that's holding that 10, getting that climb? That's what I mean about the trade plan there. You know, you're going to have some days that are just choppy as heck. You're going to have some days that you're down. But, you know, you got to watch the trade plan and look to add to those positions when you're coming down to support and climbing off that support area. Moderna's looking great there. I think I got about a $6,000 trade in Moderna right now. Amazon should do really well. Everyone's shopping online now. They had a record-breaking Black Friday sale. I think Amazon's going to be our cash cow over the next couple of weeks, to be honest with you. Airbnb is getting a climb there off of 147. Moderna having a big break out there, almost up to 162 on Moderna. There we go. Moderna breaking 162 here, guys. Big breakout on Moderna, 162.16. You guys are still in the Moderna trade, right?
NVTX opening at $18.50. November Victor Tango X-Ray. NBTX, NBTX Nanobiotics, opening at 1850, priced at 1350.
Nice breakout on Moderna still happening. Qs are pulling back a little bit here, bringing Amazon with it.
Democratic leader Schumer says McConnell is being intransigent on relief effort.
Man, these Democrats and Republicans just need to come together and pass what's good for the Americans. Really. Thank you, Ray, for that chart there. Nice scan. Let's go, Amazon. Breakout here. See how it's following the cues? Look at the cues here as well.
AMC, New York Post says Apollo circling AMC as theater chain scrambles to stay afloat. AMC Entertainment being circled by a trio of investment firms, including Apollo Global.
AMC might be bought out, guys.
Post, along with Canyon Capital Advisors and Davidson Kemper Capital Management.
AMC's getting a pop. They might be getting bought out. Big
for Chapter 11 bankruptcy and have offered
there goes Amazon.
in debtor in possession financing.
Big breakout on Amazon. Qs are breaking out. AMC. Adobe looking good there. Let's see if AMC continues to pop on that news there. They're probably going to get bought out by a hedge fund there.
Shares of AMC a little volatile here following that New York Post report.
That's probably a nice pickup for a year out till Expo. Hedge fund comes in, gobbles that up. She's going to run big time there.
Remark, tweeting now new health security verifications to be given to hotels and resorts worldwide. MARK. Tweet from the company.
Let's see. Stefan says, whenever you get a chance, check out said G. Let's take a look here. Said G. Solar Edge. Not too bad there. Nice breakout today. Up 10%. That's a nice one there, Stefan. I'd be trading that up to about 325. Next week's Expo, I'd get the 305, 310 strike and look for 325 as a target. That's not a bad setup there. ARCT got a nice breakout there. Amazon pulled back a little bit. The reason why Amazon pulled back is because Q's pulled back. Let's see if Q's are going to hold that red 50. Stefan, did you end up picking up that SEDG? Let's see if Q's start that climb here. Come on, let's see that breakout. Let's see, Q's are holding that red 50 so far, squeezing between that red 50 and the yellow 10-day. See if we could continue that climb here off that red 50. I want to see that continued breakout here on Q's. I'd love to see an afternoon rally here. Pretty sloppy day. John, isn't that amazing? I was reading 350 million by 2024. 350 million at 70 bucks a year. I think that's going to surpass their ticket sales at Disney. There we go with Q's. Nice breakout on Q's finally here. There goes Amazon again. Amazon back in the green. See if we could get this in gear. What I'm looking for with Q's here, guys, this is where the important level is right here. Here's resistance for the day on Q's at 301.50. If we could break that 301.50 on Q's, we're going to be looking for another big breakout there. That 301.50 is extremely important there. I don't want to see us get up to that 301.50, fail, and head lower. Can't believe Pfizer's down 1% today. Come on, Qs. Let's hold that 50. SMAs are converging on Qs. This SMA convergence is pretty important here. It's going to decide the next big move in the market. Big breakdown on Amazon there on that Q pullback. Let's see that Q break out there. See a break above that 20. Roku analyst, streaming stock executing well with attractive valuation. Look at Roku. Unbelievable run it's had. I still remember looking at this back when it was about 50 bucks. Never in my mind did I think it'd jump up to 350. Qs are breaking down here, guys. Now see, for our swing trades, Qs are still holding that blue 20-day simple moving average. If Qs drop below that blue 20-day simple moving average on a daily chart here, that's when you're going to be looking for a general market pullback and possibly coming back down to 270 support on Qs. You know, possibly even 260. But if we hold that blue 20-day simple moving average, let's say Monday comes around, we get a green candle above, let's say 304, that's going to be a really great opportunity to get some weekly expiration, some weekly calls, and look for that ride back up to 310 resistance. Right now it's choppy, so you're just sitting back and watching the charts and sticking with some day trades. Longer term expos are looking fine. And like I said, I'd probably be adding to my Delta trade as soon as I hear any signs or hopes of a stimulus package being passed. Qs have just been consolidating for quite a bit here since about 10:25. Waiting for that next breakout or breakdown. Holding that 300.50.
Fred, very few people know more than you about how this is all going to work, and it's great checking in with you. Thanks so much, Fred.
Vaccine distribution does remain a focus, and Kate Rogers is live outside of UCSF.
What are you guys trading? Anything else here? You guys see anything else moving, or are you just watching the markets here?
Hey Morgan, great to see you. For California here, a light at the end of the tunnel as the first round of those COVID-19 vaccines are expected to arrive in the state with
Not happy with that pullback here, but it's coming up to the lunch hour here. I think we probably should see a little pop in the afternoon.
Pfizer's vaccine are
Tesla's taking off here a little bit.
to follow. In addition to that, Governor Gavin Newsom says 670
Pierre is day trading Moderna.
his vaccine are also expected.
Let's see, Moderna back up to 163.
Projected to be delivered in this week. That would be a confirmation of the 2 doses needed to protect against the virus. So who gets this vaccine first? In phase 1, the state
Nice breakout on Moderna. 3-month daily chart there looks great for Moderna. Qs are just pretty flat. Qs are gonna, Amazon's gonna mimic the Qs. So as of right now, it's just pretty flat on the Qs. That's why Amazon pulled back a little bit there. Not down much on Amazon. Amazon's only down about $5 for the day, 0.17%. Gonna continue to watch, wait for that pop on Amazon. Want to see Qs start to climb higher here.
They're stress strain are burnt out. The number of cases is rising at an astronomical rate. This vaccine is the next step to really begin to help us mitigate and slow that pace down.
Here at UCSF, just under 1,000 doses of that
Let's see. AR Arabilig says blink BLNK. That one's been doing great.
throughout the state. Right now, we're under yet another lockdown here. About 85% of Californians are under some
Not doing much lately though, just consolidating. Let's see. Quantum says Apple MACD cross. Q is pulling back a little bit here. John, what expo do you have on Pfizer? Nothing in Pfizer, just watching it. They were talking about starting the vaccination on Monday. It's holding that 10 pretty well, so I'm thinking next week it's going to get another nice pop there. Maybe we'll look for another breakout. Pulled back down to support. Retraced back down to that 10-day simple moving average. Green candle on Monday, I'm going another 5,000 in. I'll probably pick something up for the January or February expo. all we need is that stimulus. I'm telling you, if we get that stimulus pack, the markets are going to rocket higher. That's the one thing that's holding the market back. And,
What could Airbnb's idea mean for the
you know, I could kind of see why Republicans don't want to pass anything right now with it.
two market watchers discussing that on TradeNation.cnbc.com. More Spin Up Wall Street.
Tesla's having a nice little climb there from the lows. Amazon down $7 for the day. I think they're all no good, Darren. I think it's just allergic reactions to it. Qs are still pulling back here, guys. Take a look at Qs.
We're just a few weeks away from 2021. Take a look at the best S&P performers this quarter. A lot of energy on here, as energy is the top performing sector for the week, the month, the quarter. Don't miss Squawk Alley later on today, 11 a.m. Eastern Time. We'll talk to IMAX CEO Rich Gelfond on the future of streaming, movie theaters, and a lot more. We're back in 2 minutes.
They already approved it for emergency use, Darren. Moderna's still breaking out. We got about 5,000 in Moderna. 5 or 6 grand in Moderna. Stock's up about 5% for the day. QCOM having a massive drop. That one looks like a nice entry for some puts, down to about 125. Get something about a month out till Expo, maybe the January 15th or the February monthly Expo, and look for that 125 as a target for Qualcomm puts. Let's see. Chung Ho says, Dave, ATVI Activision's moving higher. ATVI. That's not looking too bad there, Chung Ho. I like that one up to about 87.50. Man, Qs are just continuing to pull back. Big pullback in the market there. I want to see Amazon climb in the afternoon here. I still think that's going to climb in the afternoon. Stefan, I think that's going to drop all the way down to 130, maybe 125 on Qualcomm. That's not a bad entry for some puts. Airbnb is still slowly climbing. A, B, and B. Not looking bad there. And just to remind you guys on YouTube and in the trade room there, we're going to be live again at 2 o'clock. You know, yesterday I had to pick my mother up from the hospital there. She got discharged, so we are good. There's no more issues going forward here.
Great to see. It's great to have you on, and what I believe is your first appearance here on CNBC, so welcome.
Thank you, Morgan. It's great to be on. I appreciate having me.
So I want to start with this news of the week. There's been a lot of
Let's see, Q's climbing a little bit here.
idea that
See if we could get that turned around here on Q's.
basically streamlining this portfolio
Senate advances $740 billion defense bill.
in terms of
Almost another $1 trillion in defense spending. That's insane. That money needs to go to Americans, I think, first and foremost.
We're very excited about the acquisition. We've actually been focused in this area, the intersection of technology and government now for over 2 decades. And as you saw in
The one good thing is right after Christmas, we usually get a nice climb in the market. You guys remember last year, we took the trade challenge account and tripled it in a very short period of time, like 2 months. There's Ephraim. Ephraim's back with us in the trade room. Matt, how have you been doing up there? Nice little climb on Amazon there. Amazon just climbed from 30.88 all the way up to 30.94. Let's see if that continues to climb there, if she's just going to fail at that 10, pull back a little bit more. Matt Jones, is it true that Wolf is shutting you guys back down tomorrow? I read something about that. I wasn't sure if it was accurate or fake news.
yeah, and of course you're mentioning all of these buzzwords that investors have just clinged to as of late. And
I don't understand how that guy, Governor Wolf there in Pennsylvania, he started saying what businesses could shut down, which ones can't, and what was it? The Supreme Court or the federal court said that was unconstitutional and banned him from doing it. Now he's doing it again. I don't understand that. Let's see. Skateaholic says thoughts on SPY for a long swing. Let's take a look at SPY there for a swing. So this is what's important on SPY for a swing trade. So if you're swing trading SPY, this is what you want to see. And this will conclude the morning session then. So see this blue 50-day simple moving average? This is, 20-day SMA. So this is a 3-month daily chart right here on SPY. You see it's a daily chart on SPY. Okay, so this blue 20-day simple moving average is extremely important here. Okay, if it fails to hold above that blue 20-day simple moving average, let's say we get a green candle. If we get a green candle above this on Monday, let's say we have a green candle that looks like that. That would be a great buy opportunity for a swing trade on SPY. Okay, but if Monday comes around and we're below that blue 20-day, we got a candle like that, that's going to be entry for a put for a short-term swing trade. So right now we're squeezing between the 10 and the 20-day simple moving average. So what's really important here is to watch and see, are we going to break above that resistance at that yellow 10-day simple moving average and start that climb higher and look to take out those highs right there? Or are we going to break below that blue 20-day simple moving average and come down lower and maybe reach that 350 support from earlier? So that's what's really important, what we're watching there. So Monday is going to tell us quite a bit. Market's still pulling back a little bit here, so just watching the market here and seeing what's going on. But I think we're going to see a little pop in the afternoon here. Qs are starting to climb a little bit. We got a doji going on a 3-month daily chart here for Qs. So not worried about that too much. We got the MACD cross coming up here on Qs. We already had that come up on Amazon. So that's looking pretty decent here. I think we're going to see a little rally here in the afternoon from the lows. Google's starting to climb there as well. Airbnb is starting to take off. So before I get off here, this is what I want to tell you guys about our Amazon trade. So those of you that are in the Amazon day trade, what I'm watching for here is to take out the lows of 30.85. If we break below 30.85, we're out of that Amazon trade, okay? That's really important. So 30.85, we are out of Amazon. I'm going to post that in the trade room. If we break above 3,100 again, I'm going to average down on those calls that we have. Okay, so that's really important. If we break above 3,100 anytime from now until 2, I'm going to add to that 3,100. Okay, we got the MACD cross coming up. I want to watch that 1020 cross. We get that 1020 cross, we start to climb, break that 3,100. I'm going to be adding to that trade. 30.85 is going to be the stop on Amazon. Our target's going to be 31.25. I think we could do that today if we get some type of good news or run in the afternoon session here. Qs are holding up pretty well here at that 300 area. We'll see if that starts to climb now. Qs aren't looking too bad there. So that's going to be the game plan, guys. It's after 11. I'm going to go home now, check on them, and I'm going to be live again at 2 o'clock. So if you guys want to come join us, go to breakingchartalerts.com, click sign up, join now, membership pricing plans. We have a promo going on for the yearly membership. It's 35% off. And what is that promo code there, Efren? It's Holiday 2020. So come join us, use Holiday 2020. And come join us, guys. That'll give you 35% off. It'll be about $1,650 or something like that for the Elite Pro Trader. And that's good for a short period of time here. So come join us, guys. And then come join us in the live trade room. And we'd be happy to have you there with us. And those of you that are with us, I'm going to be live again at 2 o'clock. Nice breakout on Qs. You guys could see. Now that Qs are starting to break out, what's happening with Amazon. You can see Amazon here as well starting to get a climb. We already had the MACD cross. First green bars above the 0 line on the histogram on the MACD. Moving average convergence, divergence. Now what we're going to be looking at is that 10-day simple moving average starting to cross that blue 20-day simple moving average. Start that breakout momentum. Break that 3,100 resistance. And then start to continue that climb. And we'll add to our position there. So that's what I'm looking for. Nice green candles here on Qs and on Amazon. So looking good there, guys. Alrighty, I'll see you guys live again at 2 o'clock. Hope everyone has a great day. Once I get back to the house there, I'm going to be live in the trade room once again. And we're going to be looking for some more day trades. Today's Day Trade Friday, so really looking forward to knocking out a few good day trades this afternoon here. Alrighty, guys. I'll see you guys later. Take care. God bless. Stay safe with the virus. Unbelievable. About 3,000 deaths a day now with the virus. So please be safe out there.